Hey, Fit&Fab community! It's time to dive into another episode dedicated to optimizing our well-being. Today, we're tackling a universal struggle: how to fall asleep in just 2 minutes. If you've ever found yourself caught in the frustrating cycle of bedtime restlessness, stay tuned for a game-changing military method. Grab your coziest blanket, hit that subscribe button, and let's elevate our sleep game together. Now, we all know the staggering statistics: 1 in 3 people in the U.S. grapple with sleep deprivation. But don't fret, we're about to unveil the military secret technique, tried and tested to whisk you away into dreamland faster than you can say goodnight. The military method. The military's proven technique for achieving sleep in under 2 minutes involves a profound muscle relaxation method, a long-standing practice in the armed forces to facilitate rapid and effortless sleep for troops. This straightforward approach requires no specialized equipment and can be executed anywhere. To embrace the tranquility-inducing benefits of this method, simply follow these steps. Find a position of comfort. Whether you choose to recline or sit upright, ensure that you settle into a posture that allows your body to fully relax. Close your eyes. Take deep, slow breaths, inhaling and exhaling with intention. Start the process of unwinding by systematically releasing tension from your facial muscles. For a helpful guide, commence with the muscles in your forehead and gently progress downward. Allow relaxation to cascade through your mouth, tongue, cheeks, and jaw. Let go of all tension, including your eyes. Let go of any lingering tension. Settle into your chair or bed, ensuring comfort by easing the strain in your neck and traps. Then methodically unwind your biceps, forearms, and hands, starting from the upper part of your right arm. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Maintain a steady rhythm of deep, slow breaths throughout. Allow your chest to relax as you exhale. Achieving this should be effortless if you first relax your shoulders and arms. Ensure your legs are at ease. Begin by letting your right thigh gently sink into the chair or bed. Continue the process by relaxing your foot, ankle, and calf. Extend the same technique to your left leg. Free your mind from thoughts. Undoubtedly, it can be challenging to achieve a state of mental quiet. If that resonates with you, engage in visualization. Choose a calming activity, perhaps envisioning yourself serenely drifting into sleep in a peaceful, dark environment. Iterate through these steps until you sense a profound relaxation setting in, guiding you into a peaceful slumber. Consistency is key, Fit&Fab fam. The more you practice this military method, the more adept you'll become at coaxing your body into a state of relaxation.
But wait! There's more!
Let's explore some additional tips to supercharge your journey to the land of Nod. Additional tips. Ever wondered what might be sabotaging your sleep quality? It could be that noisy neighbor, the persistent glow of your phone, or perhaps stress knocking at your door. Let's tackle these sleep disruptors head-on. Noise. First up, noise. Whether it's blaring car alarms or the relentless barking of neighborhood dogs, they're not exactly lullabies. Arm yourself with earplugs, invest in a quality noise machine, or consider blackout curtains to transform your sleep space into a serene sanctuary. Light. And speaking of curtains, let's dim the lights on another culprit: light. Street lights and the glow of screens can wreak havoc on your sleep cycle. Invest in blackout curtains, or try a sleep mask to block out unwanted light and create a conducive environment for rest. Stress? Stress, the arch nemesis of quality sleep. When your mind is racing at a mile a minute, drifting into dreamland becomes a Herculean task. Wage war against stress with therapeutic practices, self-care routines, or consult with your healthcare professional for tailored advice. Anxiety. Anxiety, another nighttime troublemaker. Whether it's fear, nerves, or just a pesky habit, it's time to address it head-on. Seek guidance from professionals on effective strategies to alleviate anxiety and pave the way for peaceful nights. Physical discomfort. Last but not least, physical discomfort. From persistent back pain to the restless legs phenomenon, they're like unwelcome guests at your sleepover. Manage physical discomfort by strategically using pillows, taking breaks during extended periods of sitting, and creating a comfortable sleep environment. There you have it, Fit&Fab community. A comprehensive guide to falling asleep in 2 minutes, coupled with strategies to overcome the hurdles that may be keeping you tossing and turning. Smash that like button if you're ready to revolutionize your sleep routine, And be sure to subscribe for more in-depth insights on living your best fit and fab life. Until next time, may your dreams be sweet and your nights restful.